on what most thought was a convenience store.
Congratulations on another phenomenal win and for making history tonight. You know, expectations were so high for this team going into this season, and after 2 games, I'm wondering, have you already exceeded your own expectations?
No, we can't exceed our own expectations. We know this is a long journey ahead, and that's just another sparring session for us. I'm grateful to be able to come here, especially during the holidays. I don't necessarily celebrate Christmas, but I wish happy holidays to everybody at home, and I'm glad that we could put on a performance for everybody. And it's just important about keeping the synergy good here for our team, and we're definitely going to continue to progress every day.
You appear to be having a blast out there. It's obvious that you're smiling, you're in a good spot. Do you recall the last time you were having this much fun on the court?
This much fun on the court? I mean, every time I step foot on here, I'm blessed, I'm grateful to be able to strap on my shoes, be able to do what I do. And it takes a lot of hard work, a lot of unseen hours, you know, a lot of team chemistry things that we got to work on when no one's watching. And we do it to be able to put on a good performance here, and we just want to continue to do so through just staying consistent.
It is a beautiful thing to watch you and KD out there. What impresses you most now that you're his teammate?
I think the biggest thing that I'm most excited about is just growing continuously and then enjoying playing with another great player. But like I said the other night, it's not just about us two. You know, we introduced the world to 7-Eleven, but it's not just about us. It's a great team over here. We have a great collection of individuals where every single day we're pushing each other to be better, and that's the way you want to come in. And I'm not going to take any day for granted when we have this great of a team, and I'm just grateful to be on the journey with you guys.
And finally, this, of course, your first game back in Boston, regular season game, getting a win here tonight. Any extra special for you?
No. Like I said the other night, I went to war with those guys. You know, those young guys down there. Like I said, I gotta stop calling them young guys. They're growing so beautifully, and I want them to continue to get better. And we're gonna continue to lean on each other as brothers off the floor, but on the floor, we're gonna continue to compete.
So we noticed very small sample size. In game 1, we saw them combine for 48 points in 50 minutes. Now we see KD and Kyrie combine for 66. Again, small sample size, but however, this combination appears to be working well in Brooklyn.
Working well, I would say that. And I think the most amazing thing is KD as a teammate, bro. Think about the guys he's played with, and they flourish playing alongside him, and they never have to, you know, sacrifice their game to do so. That tells you not only how great a player KD is, but how smooth he can transition from space to space. Did it with Russell Westbrook and James Harden early. Step and play in Golden State, and now with Kyrie and Brooklyn.
They both appear to be very comfortable with one another out there on the floor. It'll be interesting to see how they continue to go through the rest of the season. Playing very fast, getting buckets in bunches.